Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's learn how to install Yanky Twist Crochet Braids. Yes, I'm going to show you how to install these Yanky Twist Crochet Braids with some very easy DIY methods. In this tutorial, I'll show you some simple steps to achieve salon quality braids right from the comfort of your own home. From choosing the right hair to learning twisting techniques, I got you covered. With these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to creating stunning Yankee Twist crochet braids that will definitely turn heads. So grab your latch hook and your hair and let's get started. The good news is that Yankee Twist crochet braids, with them, you do not need to be an expert to get started. You don't need to spend hours upon hours practicing and perfecting your technique. With the right tricks and the right materials, you can create stunning crochet braids in no time. And that's exactly what we are going to cover in this video. One of the things that I love about these crochets is they are very versatile. You can create versatile styles. You can wear them as casual style or a dressy style for a night out on the town. The possibilities are just endless, and that's what makes Yankee Crochet Twist so amazing. One of the best things about these Yankee Crochet Twists are they are very comfortable to wear. Yes, no more worrying about tight braids or braids that damage your hair. With these techniques, you are going to have some very beautiful styles as well as some healthy hair. And again, they are so comfortable to wear. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts and which styles you like the most, which method and technique you like the most, and for more inspiration videos like this.
Boom.